Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2, real quick, hopefully a short little video. In the other video, I was having trouble snapping to that without really zooming in. And I said something in that video that you could go and set your snap to a higher number. And if you go to Tools and Options and Customization, no, I take it back. Go to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, and under General, you'll go down to, or under Snapping, under the options, you go right here, and mine was set on 10 pixels as a radius. And you can change all your snap tos here. You could have it snap to just the nodes or intersections or tangents, perpendicular edges. And really and truly in this case, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna deselect all, and I'm just gonna have it snap to nodes, and I'm gonna go 30. Because that way, if I'm on that node, bam, it snaps to that node a little further apart. If you'll notice, it's almost jumping there and snapping right to it. So if you're ever doing a project, and the reason I took off, like there's another node right there, it'll snap right to it. I took the other ones off, so let's go back to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, and you could have it snap to the intersection, midpoint, which is a kind of a cool deal. And I normally have them all checked so you can select them all. And let's see if it gives us any trouble. A lot of times, see it snapping to that other intersection up there. But as long as you're kind of getting close, it'll snap to it. It doesn't snap to it quite as good. Yeah, it does, probably. Bam, it's right there. So Control D and make a duplicate of that guy. Whoop. Take a new one and snap to it. So under Tools, Options, Corel Draw, you'll come up with a bunch of, you can change your save, you can have it save a backup every 5 minutes. You can edit a bunch of stuff. I've gone over most of this stuff before. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.